Hello my brothers and sisters, and welcome back to another action-packed afternoon extra of Chris the Butcher and Friends. And you know what, my brothers and sisters? We're having one of these. Brothers and sisters, I give to you Chris the Butcher's Supercool Review. Do you know what? I'm going to kick myself for this. It's a kind protein bar, double dark chocolate nut, and it's 12 grams plant protein. Now, I'm guessing, let me have a look quickly, read the instructions. I'm not sure where Lou got these from, but they sell them, I think it's superdrug.com for $1.99 each. Ingredients: peanut, almonds, dark chocolate flavoured things. Soya. Is it good for vegans? It doesn't say it's vegan friendly. It just says it's got 12 grams of plant-based protein in it. When you think of protein bars, what your first thoughts was? Delicious. Kind protein bars combine tasty plant-based ingredients to deliver a protein hit. I'm very sceptical. The only thing that might saving grace on this is it's got chocolate in it. It does say it's got dark chocolate flavoured coating. Hang on. Camel oil, chicory, root fibre, sugar, alkalized cocoa. Do you know what? It doesn't say anything on it about it being vegan friendly, but it's definitely got plant protein in it. So let's get it down. I'm getting it. I'm looking at it.
That's why it's vegan friendly. You can't get any fucker.
But you can't. It's vegan. It don't say it's vegan friendly, right? Well, before you start getting me fucking sued, right? It does say it's plant-based protein in it, but it doesn't say it's vegan friendly or suitable for vegetarians. Well, it should be suitable for vegetarians, shouldn't it? It's not got meat in it, but maybe not. But it didn't say ingredients.
And people with nut allergies stay away.
Well, that's because it's covered in fucking nuts. Look, you know what I mean? If you've got a nut allergy, I think you know not to fucking eat that piece of shit, don't you? 12 grams plant-based, right?
It doesn't say it's vegan friendly or anything like that.
No, I've already read it, love.
It does say it's gluten.
Should we waste another 2 minutes going over shit I've already gone?
It's gluten free.
Oh, that's why they're fucking £2 a bar then, isn't it?
One for Junie there.
Yeah. Right. Should we get it down the gizzard? Plant-based protein. I should have given Lou one about fucking a minute ago. She wouldn't have fucking waffled on, would she? Do you know what? Right. Now I know it's plant-based. It's got plant-based protein, should I say? And it uses soya and all that sort of shit, and loads of fucking normal person's replacements in it. But all I can taste is chocolate and nut. And that is fucking superb. What the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I doing? That, my friends, not only is it on the floor when it being to fucking superb, and that's going to be work of the fucking devil.